Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make the logo intro in CapCut PC. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now inside my CapCut, I've just added this simple image right here, and I also have my text into my intro. This is basically how to make logo intro in CapCut, and I've added this simple smoked effect into my timeline. Now you can go ahead and get this effect into stock footages like pexels.com. So you can just go ahead and open up Google and you want to search for smoked effect. And inside there are tons and tons of websites to download smoke effects from. We have the Vivizi, you have your Pixabay, Vecteezy, and more. So basically, once you have your smoked effect inside your timeline, you want to go ahead and add your logo into your timeline. So you could just go ahead and add your logo if you have one, or if you want a simple generic logo intro, you can just go ahead and modify some text into CapCut. In this example, we'll go ahead and choose this specific preset right here. And right after, you want to time it in a way that it perfectly syncs with our smoke effect. And inside text properties, you have things like your font, you also have the color, spacing, and more. You can basically customize every type or every properties of this font has. And right after, you want to head over to animations and you want to look for an animation that syncs with your effect. In my case, I'll be choosing the starlight effect right here. And right after, you will then go ahead and see the duration of that specific effect. So for example, we have the effect of 0.5 seconds. So our animation in effect will only take effect around 0.5 seconds. And if you want to make that longer, you can just go ahead and edit it from here. Or to make it easier, you could just go ahead and move this slider. In my case, I'll go ahead and make mine around 1.5 seconds. And as you can see, the logo effect will take in more dramatically. Right after, we are going to add some animations into our logo intro. So you want to head over to audio, and in here, I'm just going to search for glitch. And so guys, after customizing our logo intro in a very simple way, we have managed to get this edit. And if you want to put a background to your smoked effect, you can just go ahead and click on the effect right here, and inside you have your blend mode. You can just go ahead and make it to brighten or screen, and you will be able to remove the black background of that specific effect. And so guys, in that way, you'll be able to make your intro logo in CapCut. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.